Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to auto-tune your voice in Adobe Audition. Auto-tuning your voice in Adobe Audition is a process that involves using a combination of pitch correction effects and other audio editing tools to achieve the desired vocal effect. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to auto-tune your voice using Adobe Audition. Open Audition and record your voice. Go to Effects, Diamond Pitch, Pitch Correction, Manual, and the Waveform Editor. Choose the portion of the audio that needs manual pitch correction by double-clicking on it. Use the pitch correction tools to manually adjust the pitch of specific notes. This is useful for correcting specific off-key notes that need more attention than automatic correction provides. Key and Scale. Choose the key and scale of the song to ensure the accurate pitch correction. So I choose Major. Attack Time. Adjust the attack times ladder to determine how quickly the effect corrects the pitch. A lower value results in a more noticeable auto-tune effect, while a higher value provides a subtle correction. So I choose to adjust to higher. Sensitivity. Adjust the sensitivity to control how sensitive the correction is to pitch deviations, so I also choose higher for this. Reference channel. Choose between the left or right channel if you're working with stereo audio. Once done, use the play button to preview the effect. Adjust the settings to your liking until you achieve the desired auto-tune effect. You can also toggle the bypass button to hear the original audio. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively auto-tune your voice in Audition, achieving anything from subtle pitch correction to a pronounced auto-tune effect, characteristics of modern pop and hip-hop music. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.